Niggas counting me out where they can't fucking count. Told my shooter, you catch him lacking, better make it count. Let Brody work the phone right now and all he do is count. The only nigga with that pack when it's a fucking drought. Let's move it out. You got beef, let's shoot it out. Fuck, I look like duking out. Dick that bitch, she on my dick, ain't in my city, I flew her out. Get in that pot and cook that dope. I whip a brick, won't lose an ounce. Man, fuck them pigs, cause with my plug, I'm Big Bad Wolf, I blew her out. You niggas do this shit for clout. You lost your bitch, guess who she found? We in that kitchen with her blender. She watch me cook like Fuji House. Told on your man they got him canned. You pussies looking stupid now. That's on my life, I catch you slip. I'm shooting you, ain't shooting clouds. Tell the plug, bring them loads in. A Rolling Stone, yeah, my.
Yo, you already know what it is. Your boy Vic for the fam. Rap League, TRL, make some noise.
Yeah!
Shout out to the Bengals.
Don't start that.
New Beginners, Deli Enders, Volume 2. You already know what it is. First battle of the night. Oh, I got co-hosts with me today. Lady Tunes, Paris. Introduce yourself.
Black Rain, aka Rain Man. Y'all know the rest. You know the rest. You know the vibes. Let's go.
Cab on my left hand side. Who got a coin? We're gonna flip it.
I got the coin right here. I'm calling it.
She got a coin over here.
You good?
She gonna flip it. Yeah. Round one on Black Rain. Let's get it going.
Yo! By now y'all know these haymakers way more than just nose bleeders. I throw sleepers, faith breakers, make you question your own Jesus. I ain't trying to be facetious, but please just, tonight don't be a pussy. Honestly, Cam, you shouldn't even book me with these slow readers. I got a following, but I ain't no leader. I be with the problem keepers, God seekers. Meanwhile, rapping with rappers that ain't even bottom tier. They ass eaters, bottom beaters. This was never for the non-believers or the dick riders doing real life handling. Damn them. Random. They say I don't belong here. They want to cut me off because I make my name off the strength like Samson. I bring the building down pushing these balls. No pun intended. And I'm relentless. Since I've been in this, there ain't a period where I stop writing. Run on sentence. This is the shit you ain't gonna see in the field. Like punt, when you 1 in inches. I move as a unit. And you'll know when everything you care about becomes intensive. The clip and the gun extended. Mask and gloves again. I catch you while you picking up your children. The villain. With ice pick, Jasmine Sullivan, I ain't picking up your feelings. I'm willing to bet you don't talk like that. I'm past boxing, I'm black blocking, cause niggas like him will press charges for a battery, but I can take the negative with the positive and get you touched. Now was that shocking? Have me laid up with the crumb. Have me laid up with the crumb. I just wait till you get home. When I'm at you, can't nobody say it. They don't even want to save you when they phone. You a deleted contact. What? No name, nigga. What? You want bang, nigga? Let's shake on it. We don't even need a contract. Bomb back. I'm a loose cannon, Bruce Banner, but niggas don't get the picture till they see the blue steel. Zoolander. I'm two-man. Take off. Smooth landing. Every shot, I through landed. Holding the tool two-handed. But that was for you, damn it. It's nice work for bitches like her. And it do damage. This is whose planet? This is whose planet? Oh, I thought a human nigga said something. Moving or dead something. Lead dumping. If life's a bitch, every day is that one time in a month. So I'm head hunting, punching. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you, little nigga. Punching. Because at any given time, it can go from a punchline to a flat line. I know that time. Holding the heat tighter. Because nowadays, ain't no more street fighters. No cap. Calm. Now calm that shit down. The burn grip, I'll burn the bitch. I'm wrapping circles around you, putting pressure on the floor. He's bleeding out. Tighten up. I'm a tourniquet. You going out on the limb trying to beat me. Good luck. Nah, bad luck. I push up and have you staring down the barrel, even though your bitch ass gotta look up. Black Rain. That name is the reason why the culture shook up. Cause that troubles you. Getting these W's. And I'm gonna keep repeating these W's like the riddle for a woodchuck. I wish you would duck. I aim low, straight down the pipe. Drain low, brains blown. Blood stained clothes? Hell no. I ain't Hove or Pharrell, but I change clothes. Same song. And this for any nigga trying to shed light on rain using them angles? Well, that's exactly how you get a rainbow. You niggas ain't slow. Hey, drag this heathen the fuck off. And wear my warm cloth, washcloth. Cause I just went clean the fuck off. What the fuck is the fuss about? They say we're gonna kill you when we make you stronger. You're gonna die, it doesn't count. Right.
Let's go.
Get comfortable.
My motto, stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. To that I bravo. Your survival is unlikely. You'll get boxed for living dangerous. Hector Camacho. It's all fun and games till your idol becomes a rival. Cam said it's looking like rain. I said, fuck it, I bought a poncho. Bitch, you'll get pistol whipped. I'll let you feel the lark. Or I'll engine shit with a semi-barking. Or you got your peeps with you? For your life they sparking? But when Black Rain get iced, y'all better ride me caution. I'll fire it off. I ain't no chump. I'm firing off. I ain't no cunt. What the fuck you mean? That's a bald head out here punching. It ain't butterbean. I'ma leave everything red. If I'm up and squeeze, black out, some sharp in the rain. He don't know what it means. Nigga, out the blue, a blade go indigo. It's not a color scheme. I peeped your display. Now it's finally up. You nice, but at the same time, you mild as fuck. I peeped you clip niggas at 80. Was intrigued by how you wind them up. From that point, I wanted parts, like a 90s cut. You stamp Columbus as your home for the battles? Boy, you a fucking queer. And them niggas gonna string you along, like a puppeteer. I dare you try to act all raw. Cause if a bust in here, it'd be a 40 handle in his mug. And I ain't chucking beer. I fucking swear, this bitch nigga better not even speak a fade, keep a gauge, or roll up something sharp for the dough, like a pizza blade. One swipe, the warning giving his cheek a shade. Boxing rain, this is the second level of streets of rage. Remember I said keep a gauge? Remember I said keep a gauge? I'm a rider. The fuck you want? You raise the bar, but pull up wrong, then cattle fire. I run down with the gun out, antagonize you, clap your driver, then kill this simp. Some finna die. Cause what my side show be dumping with rapid fire. Well, at least a suppressor make it sound like Maggie hitting a pacifier. Since you talking about don't run into you. Was you sure, nigga? Well, it's war, nigga. And I don't speak. I'm socially awkward. Autism, arm lift up. You'll see it. And I don't speak. I'm socially awkward. Autism, arm lift up. You'll see a big 12. Like a bar mitzvah or Sig Smoke from these twin ratchets, March sisters. I don't give a fuck who you came with, cause you guys weak. I'd rather kick it by myself, like I do Tai Chi. You better pray we ain't involved if the two squads beat or extra portions. What you gonna do when them two sides beat? Or if I grip this pistol, hit you and drop you, it's the same, dog. Cause when thunder hits, lightning strikes, rain falls, nigga, rain. Not enough.
Tell the shooter, bring them poles in. Get some laptops and some hackers, push them codes in. She say she looking for us.
That's not enough. That shit was adorable. Cute. But let's be honest, ain't the shit I do historical? That question's rhetorical, don't answer that. Y'all got to catch my shit before the portal closed. I I mean, I land lines that matrix some niggas, but if you know, you don't. And I'm the oracle. I'm plugged in. Disrespectful. Hey, bro. After this, don't call me your bro no more. Because none of my real bros would have said that shit you said. You dead to me. Now pay the man. I'm in his crib. Cable man. Black and gray. Raiders fan. Lap game. Jacobs fan. If the 80 jam, then I'm raising the blade like Abraham. Damn. I be around pussy. I don't be around pussies. You a live nigga, I can knock down for you. I don't beat around the bush neither. I'd rather hide it and pop out on you. Burn you and burn them. I'm letting the worst one in. Slide, squirt, swerve in, burst them in, blast them. Putting plasma everywhere. Like I'm Earthworm Jim. I was only 5. I was only 5 when my life first turned grim. When I realized my beautiful mom was a punching bag. Fucking sad, like fuck a bag. But when that burden is too heavy to carry, that's when shit literally becomes a drag. You want a flag? Warning, here go a red one. I'm smart enough to act dumb when the feds come. I got old heads, young, that's just been squeezing through life. Never learned to read or write, but they read wrong. Bum ass niggas. Ain't nobody scared of you dudes. You ain't got no paws on the bra. And you ain't got no aim. Drawing all on the wall like some terrible tools. You look terrible too. Up here dressed like you are not the father. I'm just trying to plant a seed. And everything I plant's a monster like little shot by Howard. Die slow or die for hours. I'm from Cincinnati. When niggas who lost faith in a higher power found it in a firepower. Cavs better be Kevlar, tech spark. X marks the spot. I'm all types of animal. Pet smart. I done left scars on niggas for less bars. Laugh at my pain. Think shit seriously funny? True story. I put a hole in Kev heart. No! That ain't even the best part. All them threats in your chat? Go ahead with it, champ. It ain't never been that. Hit him with 7 exact. He'll go from that thunder to a Golden State. I bet you I make Kevin Durant. Y'all do better than that. Lose? Niggas want no parts of it. It's hard to win. I've been boxing niggas for so long, I should have had Parkinson's in the hearts of men.
Hey, chill out.
Why y'all want to play the GOAT? Play me close. I spray the pole at any protester. Get rid of you and your mom. Faster than Quaker Oats. How much syrup you been sipping? How much syrup you been sipping? Because it's been different. No, literally. So different, I'm indifferent. Like, no, literally, I'm indifferent. I am. Because if niggas would have never battled me, maybe their pen would have went different. Man, this ain't no warning. I lay you down in the ditch like a tornado warning. I'm Fuego. Bomb. That's why he trembling. When she get ugly after the 12 hit. You said you was a gremlin. I am him. This ain't no gentleman's third. Because I ain't no motherfucking gentleman. Judge in his face. Shut the fuck up when I'm sentencing. Bow, many men. Many men. That's how you feeling now. I'm at his neck. I'm at his church. No survivors. Slap his earth. Maggots burst. Revolver clap. The problem's back. Sciatic nerve. The nerve of you niggas. Can we not drag this heathen the fuck off? The nerve of you niggas. Drag this heathen the fuck off. And wear my warm washcloth. I just want to clean the fuck off. What the fuck is the fuck about? They say what don't kill you only makes you stronger. If you didn't die, it doesn't count. Die.
Kev, that's the first round.
I hate rapping in front of y'all. I mean, seriously, it's the same shit. Y'all show up late for y'all's favorite. Y'all show up late for y'all's favorite. Say some shit that ain't live, y'all gonna react anyway. On some lame shit. It's my turn to rap, y'all gonna be drunk and miss the plain shit. On some rain shit.
Yeah.
I know you mad. And you want to call us all some haters. Because what we always say, it's supposed to be rain on URL for the new year. But you here, acting Brody like, y'all ain't gonna applaud the race. You should have took your ass to New York. What? It ain't our fault you dropped the ball in Vegas. Boy, you was shaky with it. I mean, you couldn't even ride right. Thought you had a clear view at the limelight, but in hindsight, you had to get a shoe in on URL and couldn't stride right. It's my night. Nigga, it's my night. But y'all no favoritism, I fade with. It'd be undeniable. That nigga get a dose of these or let this pill and change prescriptions. Remember that bar you had against Mozzie? Out the hangers, you know you triangles, it's gonna lead to it. Boy, I'll use what you said like it's plagiarism. So stay pretending. Pick a plot and deal with that grave decision. Cause you'll get shot. My niggas do way more than just raise a victim. I mean, my team came with ratchets. And there ain't a bunch of angry women. And this 50 Smith fan, you don't want to get entangled with him. Well, I'll pull up on him. Quick stolen. Clip poking. Out of big gun. Grip smoking. Line of sight. He in focus. Soon as he say Black Rain Man, bah! Flip slogan. I should have known when y'all cooked this that I was gonna clown son. And at the same time, clown son. One of the problems, nigga, you found one. 40 in the drum. I ain't stopping till the round done. It's the second. Boy, I know you at least down one. And if not, get them arms waving crazy. This shit look like Tezzy in round one. Round, nigga.
Oh, they talk to him, kid.
Fuck all them messages and DMs and that welcome home shit. Don't need no welcome home fit, I need some welcome home fit. Straight off the highway snatching J's, I need some welcome home licks. I call a buddy, bitch, I'm back, I need them welcome home bricks.
That's not enough! You know what?
Let's go, man.
It always be that macho man. Claim me the shooter. You're locked in the cannon and got no hands. Oh, I love bitches like you. I punch bitches like you. Dropping with the Drago hands to celebrate your knockout doing the Apollo dance. You follow, fam? This is pure pressure. You ain't even got no chance. No debate. This body gonna be clear, Kevin. Like Hollow Man. Y'all niggas is straight lambs. And I'm a monster with the chop. A big Baraka fan. You can always tell the niggas with the fake hands.
That was fucking crazy.
I'm a monster with the chops. Big Baraka fan. You can always tell the niggas with the fake hands. I bet you grew up eating a lot of spam. Man, you all around flexing. Who the fuck you think you is calling out a legend? Now I'm up here making a horror movie out of you. Hey, elites, we need to talk about Kevin, depression. This is the shit that gonna make you hang it up with a tightrope. Regret, the day you ever battled me. You better fight, bro, or head for the hills, find a safe, tight zone. If I find where your kids live and you put your fake wife on, them guns get to clicking like Dorothy Hills. There's no place like home. Kick them. Barbed wire, I'm talking call time. Playing target practice with your kid. With your bitch in the crossfire. Y'all liars. You can't talk to me about dedication. 20 years I've been blacking. I need reparations. Yeah, I had on and off days in the ring. But that was just me showing separation. But y'all don't get it though. My off days is saving lives. Cause niggas go from trying to stay alive, nigga, to just trying to stay alive. Man, bitch, I'm a whole figure. Word to the goat beer. What's even more weird? Y'all don't even know I went a whole year slaughtering shit sober with no fear, no emotions. Like fuck your tears. What you got for me? And all niggas had to offer me was another cold beer. I ain't got no fear. I ain't got no peers. Now when you this firefighter, or the opposite become firefighters. But you mad because my pen blue is written all over your face. Liar, liar. Drop the hire. But I work for myself. Top chef. Cooking these bitches. Why, Chef? How many ops I got left? I am not pressed. You are not a threat. You are just a pile of a hot mess. Do not flex. That's how the last guy got stretched. Glocks, text, ringing this out like the mock bread.
Fire!
Do not flex. That's how the last nigga got stretched. Ringing this out like the mock bread. Glocks, text, do not get shot in the driver's side or whatever you ride, Kev. Get left slumped. Holding on to the wheel like Uncle Phil when his pops left. I ain't gonna go there. Damn! Speaking of Phil, after this battle you bankrupt. You're gonna have to take that loss. Next time you make your will, it's gonna be bad for you. Red table talk. What the fuck is the fuss about? They say, well, don't kill you, only make you stronger. If you don't die, it doesn't matter. Die.
Shots fired, huh? I bet you thought you made a big score. I mean, I know it's a lot to read when you gambling in contracts. What you make that pick for? It was supposed to be a power play for the elites and company with bright minds. Instead, you a powerball lick for Columbus. Shit only comes once in a lifetime. I mean, hats off. You made your play. Damn near got blackballed. But he back, y'all, on the list. $3 ticket for this car. I'm getting scratched off. What you drunk, nigga? I mean, I heard slurring your speech. What you sipping on? Gin, nigga, or herb and peach? I bring you smoke since Herb got him thinking he could word with me. But I'll bring you smoke since the Herb got him thinking he could word with me. But I'm God, fool. So you finna go by job rules. You feel like you can murder ink. I aim on it. Let it bang on you. You know what the next name gonna be? Sabati. This bitch a shot. Since y'all put rain on me. You ain't like me, nigga. I mean, we ain't even built the same. You the type that think taking a shot to ease the pain. My uncle felt the same. Was in love with that heroin. But it wasn't a Marvel bitch that could beat the game. He fell asleep. He fell asleep with a cig lit, fried on the couch. Woke up to a fire and my auntie died in the house. Nigga, we not the same, man. I've been through real dilemmas and that's facts. You ever been down a couple racks? Had a play to make it back, you slide to the spot, find your pop stumbling through your pack? Really ain't no punchline after that. Just know the plug left it with me and I'm who gotta pay it back. Boy, we not the same, right? We not the same, right? I done had people that love me, steal from me, and kill from me. So I ain't intuition. My instincts won't let me stomach the smell. You feel funny. You a real dummy. No pun intended. I mean, you lost your sight on the road to riches. The game squeezed the life out. Ball constricted. Yeah, he land mass punches, but when it got rough terrain, you didn't know your limits. When it got rough terrain, you didn't know your limits. Fuck the paper up. That's what happens when you put the cup over business. But now you got road rage? Okay. Now you got road rage? Okay. You want to be victim? Let's role play. The fold blaze. Enter program. The show changed. Quit acting slow, brain. You're going to lose here. Road game. Forecast. To show brain. Just because your mouth airy don't make you cold, bro. Boy, you finna get a foul visit. You finna get a foul visit. A gun butt. Then the cow blipping. I'll put you under this floor. And they gonna have to identify you by what's left of your features after the towel's lifted. I mean, you gassed up. I'm a wild nigga. So understand when I say we ain't the same brain. Nigga, the cloud's different. If I grip this pistol, hit you and drop you, it's the same, dog. When thunder hits, lightning strikes, rain falls. Facts.
Tell the shooter, bring them poles in. Get some laptops and some hackers, push them codes in. She say she